Looking for outdoor decor tips for all seasons and occasions? Well, you're in the right place. Outdoor decor isn't just about making your home look pretty. It's also about creating a welcoming environment that makes your guests feel right at home. Each season brings its own unique charm, and with the right decor, you can amplify that charm and make your outdoor space look absolutely stunning. So, are you ready to give your outdoor space a makeover? Stay tuned as we dive into some fantastic tips that will help you transform your outdoor space. Scene script. Spring is the season of rejuvenation, and your outdoor space should reflect that. As the days grow longer and the weather warms up, there's no better way to welcome the new season than with a fresh outdoor look. Spring is the perfect time to shake off the winter blues and introduce a vibrant, lively atmosphere right in your backyard. One of the easiest ways to bring spring's freshness to your outdoor space is by adding colorful flower pots. Whether it's tulips, daffodils, or pansies, these blooms will infuse your space with the bright, cheery colors of the season. And don't just limit yourself to one or two. The more, the merrier. Create a wonderful array of colors that will make your outdoor space truly pop. Next up, consider using pastel-colored decor items. Pastels are synonymous with spring and can instantly lighten up your space. Think about adding pastel cushions to your outdoor furniture, or perhaps some pastel lanterns to create a soft, inviting glow as the evenings draw in. You could even go a step further and paint your outdoor furniture in pastel hues. It's a bold move, but one that can pay off with a stunning springtime look. And let's not forget about our feathered friends. Incorporating birdhouses into your outdoor decor not only provides a safe haven for birds, but also adds a charming rustic feel to your space. Choose a birdhouse in a classic wooden design, or go for something a little more whimsical. Whichever you choose, it's sure to be a hit with both the birds and your guests. Lastly, spring is all about new beginnings. So why not take this opportunity to try something new with your decor? Maybe it's a new pattern for your cushions, a different style of lantern, or a novel arrangement of your flower pots. Whatever it is, don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity shine. With these spring decor tips, you'll have an outdoor space that's vibrant and welcoming. And remember, the most important thing is to have fun with it. After all, your outdoor space should be a reflection of you. So let your personality shine this spring. Summer is all about fun and relaxation, and your decor should embody that. It's the season where the sun shines the brightest and the days are the longest. So let's delve into some decor tips that can help maximize your enjoyment of the great outdoors during this vibrant season. One great way to embrace the summer spirit is by adding a hammock or swing to your outdoor space. Whether you're lounging with a good book or taking a blissful nap, a hammock or swing can be a delightful addition. The gentle sway of a hammock in the breeze or a swing under a shady tree encapsulates the essence of summer relaxation. Next, consider setting up a barbecue area. Summer is synonymous with backyard barbecues, after all. It's a time for grilling burgers, hot dogs, and savoring meals outside with family and friends. A dedicated barbecue area can make your outdoor cooking more convenient and enjoyable. You can create a simple setup with a grill and a picnic table, or go all out with a fully equipped outdoor kitchen. Either way, it's sure to be a hit. Lighting is another crucial aspect of summer decor. As the days grow longer, the opportunities for late-night gatherings increase. Solar-powered lights are an excellent choice for summer. They charge during the day and provide a warm, inviting glow as the sun sets. String lights, lanterns, or even pathway lights can add a magical ambiance to your outdoor space. Another tip is to incorporate vibrant colors and patterns that reflect the energy of summer. Think bright, cheerful tablecloths, cushions, and outdoor rugs. These can instantly liven up your outdoor space and make it feel more inviting. Lastly, don't forget about plants. Summer is a time of growth and lush greenery. Add potted plants or create a flower bed to bring an element of nature to your outdoor decor. Choose plants that thrive in summer heat to ensure they stay beautiful throughout the season. With these summer decor tips, you'll have an outdoor space that screams fun in the sun. So go ahead, make the most of this sunny season. Your perfect summer oasis awaits. Fall is a season of warmth and coziness, and your outdoor decor should reflect that. As the leaves turn from green to shades of gold, amber, and rust, you can mirror this beautiful transformation in your outdoor living spaces. Let's start with one of the most iconic symbols of fall: pumpkins. Adding pumpkins to your decor brings a sense of harvest time, a nod to the season's bounty. You can line your walkway with pumpkins or stack them on your front porch. And remember, they don't all have to be orange. White, green, and even blue pumpkins can add a unique twist to your outdoor fall decor. Now, imagine gathering around a fire pit on a crisp fall evening, maybe with a warm drink in hand as the sun sets and the stars begin to twinkle. Adding a fire pit to your outdoor space not only provides warmth, but can also serve as a central gathering spot for family and friends. Plus, it's a great place to roast marshmallows for a sweet fall treat. Next, consider adding warm-colored decor items to your outdoor spaces. Think about throw pillows and blankets in rich reds, deep oranges, and golden yellows. These colors can make your outdoor furniture feel more inviting and reflect the warmth of the season. Hay bales are another fabulous fall decor item. They can be used as a rustic seating option, a platform for your other decor items, or even as a part of a fall-themed photo spot. Stack them, scatter them, use them as you see fit, and let them bring that rustic charm to your outdoor spaces. And finally, don't forget about lighting. As the days get shorter and the nights get longer, lighting becomes more important. Fairy lights, lanterns, or even candles can create a cozy ambiance and extend your outdoor activities into the evening. With these fall decor tips, you'll have an outdoor space that's cozy and inviting. Winter may be cold, but your outdoor decor can still be warm and inviting. When the temperature drops, it's easy to neglect your outdoor space. But with a few smart decor choices, you can create a cozy winter haven that's sure to impress. Let's dive right into some winter decor tips that are sure to transform your outdoors into a captivating winter wonderland. Firstly, let's talk about outdoor heaters. These are not only functional, providing warmth to your outdoor space, but they also add an aesthetic charm. Opt for a fire pit or a classic chimenea. These heaters not only provide a focal point for your outdoor space, but also offer a cozy spot for friends and family to gather around, sharing stories and sipping hot cocoa on a cold winter's night. Next up, fairy lights. When the days are short and nights are long, lighting becomes even more crucial. Fairy lights draped around trees, over patios, or along fences can create a magical ambience. The soft, warm glow of these lights can make even the coldest winter night feel cozy and inviting. Now let's talk about winter-themed decor items. Think about incorporating elements that reflect the season. Wreaths made of wintergreen, pine cones, and holly berries make for beautiful door decorations. Snowflake ornaments, wooden reindeer, and frosted lanterns can add a whimsical touch to your outdoor space. Don't shy away from using blankets and cushions in outdoor seating areas too. Choose ones in rich, warm tones or with festive patterns to add color and comfort. Lastly, remember the power of scent. Pine, cinnamon, and wood smoke are fragrances that evoke the feeling of winter. Consider adding scented candles or incense in these fragrances to your outdoor areas. With these winter decor tips, you'll have an outdoor space that's a winter wonderland. So don't let the cold weather deter you from enjoying your outdoor space. With a little creativity and these tips, you can create a warm, cozy, and inviting atmosphere that's perfect for winter. Special occasions call for special decor. When it comes to celebrating life's milestones, your outdoor space can be the perfect stage. Birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, each event has a unique spirit that you can capture and elevate with thoughtful decor. For birthdays, whether it's a child's first or a grandparent's 90th, create a joyful atmosphere with balloons, banners, and streamers. But don't just stop at traditional party decor. Personalize your space with photos of the birthday person, showing their journey through life. It adds a heartwarming touch that will have everyone reminiscing. Anniversaries, on the other hand, call for a more intimate setting. Think fairy lights twinkling in the trees and a table set for two. You might even consider a theme based on a significant memory, like the couple's first vacation or their favorite movie. It's all about creating a sentimental space that reflects their love story. Holidays bring their own festive flair. Christmas calls for twinkling lights, a nativity scene, or a winter wonderland theme. For Halloween, go all out with pumpkins, scarecrows, and spooky touches. And let's not forget the 4th of July or New Year's Eve. These are perfect opportunities to show off some patriotic or celebratory decor and light up the night sky. And of course, any special occasion decor would be incomplete without the right lighting. From string lights to lanterns, candles to fire pits, Lighting sets the mood and transforms your outdoor space into a magical setting. So don't forget to light up your celebrations. Remember, the key to successful outdoor decor for special occasions is to capture the spirit of the event. Let the occasion guide your theme, choose decor that personalizes the space, and use lighting to create the right atmosphere. With these special occasion decor tips, you'll have an outdoor space that's festive and celebratory. No matter the season or occasion, there are some decor tips that always apply. Let's start with the truth about outdoor decor. It needs to be as sturdy as it is stylish. Whether you're setting up for a summer barbecue or a winter wonderland, weather-resistant furniture is a must. Look for materials that can withstand the elements, like teak, cedar, metal, or all-weather wicker. Cushions and pillows should be made from outdoor fabrics, and don't forget to bring them inside when they're not in use to keep them fresh and vibrant. Now let's talk about creating a focal point. Just like in your living room, a focal point draws the eye and sets the mood. It could be anything from a beautiful piece of garden art, a rustic fire pit, or even a stunning water feature. The key is to choose something that reflects your personal style and complements the natural beauty of your outdoor space. Next up, remember to maintain a balance between your decor and the natural elements. You want your outdoor space to feel like an extension of your home, but it's also important to let Mother Nature shine. So, use your decor to enhance the natural beauty, not overshadow it. This could mean choosing furniture that blends with your garden, using plants and flowers as part of your decor, or using lighting to highlight your favorite trees or plants. Finally, don't forget about lighting. A well-lit space is not only safer, it's also more inviting. Use a mix of lighting types like ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. And remember, solar-powered lights are a great eco-friendly option. With these general decor tips, you'll have an outdoor space that's stylish and functional all year round. So, are you ready to transform your outdoor space? As we wrap up, let's take a moment to revisit the vibrant journey we've embarked on together. We've delved into the captivating world of outdoor decor, exploring how each season and every occasion can inspire a fresh and unique perspective for your home exterior. Spring, with its promise of new beginnings, encourages us to embrace color and bring out the bloom in our decor. We saw how pastel hues and floral arrangements can breathe life into our space, creating a welcoming environment that echoes the season's charm. Then comes summer, the season of sun, fun, and outdoor gatherings. We learned that a mix of vibrant colors, comfortable seating, and strategic shading can turn our backyard into a perfect summer retreat. It's all about creating a space that's as refreshing and lively as the season itself. As summer gives way to fall, our decor takes on a warm and cozy tone. We discovered how the earthy colors of autumn, combined with elements like pumpkins and harvest wreaths, can create a serene outdoor setting that mirrors the tranquil beauty of the season. Winter, despite its chilly demeanor, offers plenty of opportunities for enchanting decor. With twinkling lights, warm fire pits, and cozy blankets, we can create a winter wonderland right in our backyard, making even the coldest days feel magical. But it's not just the seasons that dictate our decor. Special occasions, too, can transform our outdoor space into a celebration of life's beautiful moments. From birthdays to anniversaries to holidays and gatherings, we learned how the right decor can set the mood and make every occasion memorable. And finally, we touched on some general decor tips that hold true regardless of the season or occasion. The importance of lighting to create ambiance, the role of furniture in defining spaces, and the impact of personal touches in making a space truly yours. The beauty of outdoor decor is that it enhances not just your home, but your life. It's about creating a space that reflects your personality, welcomes your guests, and offers you a sanctuary where you can unwind and enjoy the beauty of the world around you. Remember, the key to great decor is not about following trends, but about creating a space that feels right to you. So let your creativity soar, trust your instincts, and most importantly, have fun with it. With these tips, you're well on your way to having an outdoor space that's beautiful and inviting no matter the season or occasion. Happy decorating!